Hello, I'm Michael Farmer, and this is my final project for the GUI design. So, for the introduction, graphical user interface design refers to the process of creating visual elements and interaction of software application or websites. GUI design plays a crucial role in creating a positive user experience as it determines how users interact with an application or website. Effective design provides users with an intuitive and visually appealing interface that is easy to use and navigate. Some examples of well designed GUI elements that are commonly used today include the interfaces of social media applications like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter, as well as e commerce websites like Amazon and eBay. So, for the potential evolution and impact, one area where GUI design has had a significant impact is in the field of healthcare. Medical professionals rely on technology to manage patient data, monitor vital signs, and make diagnoses. As well, a well designed GUI can help doctors and nurses make better decisions and provide better care to patients. Another area where graphic user interface is having an impact is on the field of e commerce. Companies are using GUI design to improve the user experience on their website and apps, making it easier for customers to find what they need and to be able to complete their transactions. And a couple ways that I see GUI interface potentially evolving over the years. Augmented and virtual reality technologies are becoming much more sophisticated now, and designers are trying to explore new ways to create interfaces and take advantage of that technology. And as AI and machine learning technologies continue to advance, GUI design is likely to incorporate more intelligent features that can adapt to user preferences and behaviors, which could include things like personalized interfaces that adapt to individual users or interfaces that use natural language processing to interpret users' requests. So, modern design features for GUI include the use of responsive design, which ensures that the interface resizes and adjusts to fit different screen sizes and resolutions. This is essential for providing a consistent user experience across multiple devices, including desktop, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. These modern designs also include a fixation on flat design, minimalism, bright colors, gradients, and animations, as I spoke of earlier. Other modern GUI design features include the use of animations, icons, and graphics to improve visual appeal and user engagement. Prototyping is also commonly used in GUI design to create interactive mockups and test user interactions before the final product is developed. And some extra designs sometimes include a dark mode feature in order to help users better see and not strain their eyes when they're in the middle of the night uh, jumping through websites. So there are several programming options available for GUI design, including frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue. These frameworks offer pre-built components and libraries that can be used to develop modern GUI designs quickly and efficiently. React, for example, is a popular JavaScript library that is used to build user interface for web applications, while Angular is a framework that is used to build dynamic web applications with a focus on the user experience. Vue is also another popular framework that is used to build user interfaces and single page applications. And then there's also basic UI design tools, some of which are the most popular that I found is Figma, Adobe XD, UXPin, and Marvel. They mainly just help you lay out the design and not so much actually coding it. Best practices for GUI design include keeping the user interface simple and easy to use, providing clear feedback to the user, and designing for accessibility. Simplicity and ease of use ensure that users can interact with the interface intuitively and efficiently, while clear feedback helps users understand the outcome of their actions. Designing for accessibility ensures that users with disabilities can use the interface with ease, providing options for screen readers, keyboard navigation, and other accessibility features. One example I would like to point out is in the image on the right here for Adobe Creative. Personally, I use a web plugin that utilizes a dark mode feature and causes it to activate on all websites regardless. It's essentially a built-in thing that messes with the CSS. And I'm using it here, and as you can see, the UI is still very readable. The text is bleeding a little bit on the top part there. That's purely from the plugin itself not being the best. But overall, the design is still completely readable, which makes it very accessible for someone like me who runs that dark mode plugin, because straining my eyes looking at a computer nearly 24/7 doing coding projects and working, it gets very hard with my eyes. So having something still be very readable, even with a dark mode, without it necessarily having one built in, is a wonderful feature and very accessible to users. So to touch on the two types of design, we have UI design and UX design, which is user interface and user experience. They both focus on different things. What UI design usually does, it focuses on colors, it focuses on the typography, like the text used, the overall layout, and the visual design in general. UX design focuses on the overall experience and flow of the application and how things go from one website to another, which is the information architect and the wireframes and user research, all essentially the hard stuff, while UI design focuses on the soft stuff. For the case studies, one of the examples I decided to go with is Facebook. One for its layout, which is simple and consistent. It makes it easy to use for a wide range of users. The user interface includes a menu bar that is always visible on the side of the page, providing easy access to all of its features. Its personalized news feed. It's one of the most popular features it has. It's designed to show users the content they are most interested in based on their interaction and preferences. This keeps users engaged and coming back to the platform, for better or for worse. Mobile optimization. Its mobile app is optimized for different screen sizes and devices, making it easy to use on a smartphone or tablet. And the app's GUI design is simple and easy to navigate, allowing users to access all the features they need. And for accessibility, its design includes features that make it accessible to a wide range of users. For example, users can customize their font size, and color contrast to make the platform easier to use. And then the clear feedback it provides to users when they interact with the platform. For example, when a user likes a post, the button changes color to show that the action was successful. The second case study I decided to go with was YouTube, for its use of personalized recommendations based on users' viewing history, which has been instrumented in keeping users engaged on the site. The site's navigation is easy to understand and navigate, even for users who are new to the platform. YouTube's simple, clear icons and menus make it easy for users to find what they're looking for. Its feature-rich video player, I think, is also one of the most obvious ones. It is designed to be both unobtrusive and feature-rich, with options for changing video quality, enabling captions, and adjusting playback speed. You can also choose options if you right-click to loop the video, and other similar, more advanced features. Its mobile optimization is very clean and intuitive design that makes it easy to search for and watch videos on the go. This app also includes features like offline playback and the ability to minimize videos while browsing other content. Its accessibility and its commitment to that includes features like automatic captions and a high contrast mode for users with visual impairments. And YouTube's GUI design includes features that encourage community engagement, such as comments and the ability to subscribe to channels. In conclusion, GUI design plays a critical role in creating a positive user experience. Modern GUI design features include the use of responsive design, animations, and prototyping, while programming options include frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue. Best practices for GUI design includes keeping the user interface simple and easy to use, providing clear feedback to the user, and designing for accessibility. Overall, GUI design will continue to evolve as new technologies emerge and user experience changes. Good GUI design will always be essential for creating technology that is intuitive, accessible, and easy to use. And that includes the presentation. Thank you very much for your time, and have a wonderful night.